Hello, we're going to take a look at Usborne's 1000 Things in Nature. This is a nice, big, thick book. This is great for young children or old children. Teaches all about things in nature. So here we have the table of contents with all the different things that you can find in the book. This book has really thick pages, so it's not like a regular paged book. So great for little fingers. It's not going to get easily torn. You can see very detailed pictures. If my phone will, there we go. With all their names. Just gives kids a basic idea. So we have backyard wildlife, creepy crawlies, feathers, eggs, and nests, fruits, leaves, and seeds, flowers, woodland, mountains, savanna and grasslands, under the sea. This would be a fun one to have the child find something on the page. Like you can say, find the frog. And they would find the frog on the page and point to it. Or find the snake. And then you can say, that's a green anaconda. Here's the farm. Our personal favorite. Goats. Border Collie, German Shepherd. Oh, it's funny that I show you this because if you can hear that odd noise in the background, it is actually my German Shepherd. That's Hunter with his tongue hanging out. And that odd noise is him spinning to try to get a hold of his tail. So, there's Hunter on the page right there. Trees. Tree identification, and then fossils, rocks, and gems, and an index of everything in the book. 1000 Things in Nature, $14.99.